guys, and welcome back to Aviassembly. By the way, a review on the actual game is coming soon. However, this is my fighter jet I've made. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fighter jet with working elevators like that. So, let's show you how to do it. So, here we are in the build. First we need to get this cockpit. They're all called the same thing, so I can't tell you which one. Because that kind of looks like the start. Then add the fuselage, make it as long as you want, and add a delta wing. It needs to be this delta wing, because there are a few delta wings. So put that there, make that a bit longer. And if you go on this tab, you should find the rotation joint. Put that on there, and then you need the thrust, so the rocket engine. And I'll just move that a bit. You can move things now. No, I don't believe you could do that in the demo. Might be able to. Yeah, also guys, the reason why the review hasn't, been out yet is because I was just actually completing the game, I suppose, first. And then I'll post a review, because then, can fully review it. Right, and then you need to get this smaller delta wing. Or it looks small at least. Yeah, no, it is smaller. And then you move that in the engines like that. Move it up a bit. Okay, there we go. Now you need the retractable wheel, the landing gear. So one at the top and two. Make sure the ones at the back are on a slant. I mean, you could have on the engines, but then in turn. So, and then you have it like that. Now your keybinds. Also, for forward I like having space and brake 0 because I've got a whole keypad kind of thing on my mouse, and I don't know, that's just what I use to crouch in Minecraft, and I don't really know. And you need to make sure, you have to gonna zoom in a bit, but you need to try and get the rotation joint. Okay, what about if I zoom in? Come on! So hard. Okay, yeah, I might just move the wing for a sec. There we go. Right, now you want W and S. So left is W, right is S. So, and then do it on that side as well. Right, there we go. Now I can put that on. Okay, that is weird. It's fine, we can just rotate them. There we go. And move it that way. Also, just saying, Aviassembly is a great game. You should get it. Bye bye. So now you've done that. Now what you need to do is make everything in this shade of grey to make it look more fighter jet-y. Right, if I've done that correct. Oh, I've not done that correct. Oh dear. Oh dear, what have I done? What have I done? Why is there 2? Okay, that's fine. And then just colour it grey. Make sure that doesn't happen then. Make sure you only have 1. Right. Now it should work, hopefully. I am so confused. I don't get, because they're mirrored. How is it? They're literally mirrored. Oh no. Oh no.
2,000 years later.
Here we are back in Aviassembly. I tried to fix it and then it crashed. So this is the original one, because I saved it. And then I showed you guys how to make it again. So you need to make sure that these are not in it, basically. They need to be like on it, a bit like that. But once you've done that, then you just need to go on here and get the tail wing. Okay, make sure mirror's on. Get this tail wing and make that grey. And then you're ready to fly. So here we are. So to take off, let's say it's not a normal takeoff. Let's just say you don't do that, because look what happens when I do that. Yeah. So you basically need to do a VTOL takeoff. I know, this is interesting. So you basically have to put it down like that and full throttle it, and don't do it all the way down. But yeah, you see, look, and then you have your plane. So now I think about it, I probably should invert it. Also, Aviassembly people, can I ask why this jet doesn't jet? Yeah, I'm gonna invert this. So yeah, let's just say it's not the easiest to control. I mean, it works though, so you have your own fighter jet. So I'm gonna change the rotation of that. So WS and SW. Wait, they're the same one, right? Yes. So now if we try doing it, now up should actually make us go up. I mean, it goes pretty fast though, I have to say. I mean, look. I think this, yeah, this probably, I mean, look how slick this looks. Seriously. Also, Aviassembly people, why does that, I know, wait. So, yep, this is pretty good. It goes pretty fast. And then you got sonic boom. I don't think there is any sonic boom, sadly, though. Why is it desert music playing? We're not in a desert. That's weird. So, yes, there is to make your own fighter jet plane. So, they're pretty cool. And yeah, wait, I'm gonna see how fast I can go. So yeah, let's just say it looks a bit weird, but I mean it goes pretty fast. How much cargo space we got? I mean, not a huge amount of cargo space, but you can always make it bigger. It's not like these rocket engines won't be able to thrust it. Now if you're looking this in the main game, I'll show you how much it costs, and obviously you need to have unlocked all the parts, but I quite like it, to be fair. Also, Aviassembly people, please make it so you can go a full 360. Oh, like I can only do a 180. Oh, there we go. All right, I can only do like a 180 sometimes. I mean that's only with using the jets. So yes, please, because I mean this is pretty fun, just going around in a fighter jet. I mean, don't ask about landing this. I'm not even gonna attempt to do that. So this is Editor Charlie here, and let's just say I did it. Just watch this. Because that would just not end well. But anyway, that's how to make your own fighter jet in Aviassembly. Now, I like this. I like it a lot. So go get Aviassembly. Bye. Also, I know I literally just said bye, but to make it, this is how much it costs. 13,263 coins. So yeah, it's quite expensive, but it's quite good. So bye bye.